What's up, you guys? This is West Coast Pyros, and this is our 2017 Firework Stash.
So we're gonna start off with our sparklers here. Got some Alien and Red Apple ones. We got a lot this year. Then we go to our gyro jets, a pack of 3. Then at Alien they're having a sale, but I want to get you free of this fountain. Then we got some ground blooms. Some firecrackers from last year, a whole box, and a Shogun missile. Then we're gonna go to our cake, Little Hottie by Firehawk. Then one of our heavier 250 gram cakes, Luck of the Irish by Redders. And then Avalanche by Window, 200 gram cake. Then we got these little cakes, Chinese New Year, 2 of them, called from Mighty Max. Then, I don't know what that is, a kaleidoscope from Mighty Max, a cake. Then Dancing Silver Ball from Mighty Max. And a small cake, 25 shot, purple.
What's that idea?
Yeah, Mighty Max. These were really good. These were only $7 a Red Apple. It's called Snake Eyes. 9 shot. You can look them up on YouTube. And then we're gonna go to Wicked Wasp. This is like one of our traditional cakes. We always get one of these. Then we got Shock Factor by Canon, a 200 gram cake, 28 shot. Then we did get some more firecrackers this year, Ghost, but they aren't as loud as the other ones, half brick. Then Snake Pit, another 250 gram cake. Let me see. Firehawk. Then we got Home Run by Window, very known cake. Then we got Wild Horses by Fisherman, 200 gram cake. Then we got Nosy, another traditional cake we always get. Then we're gonna go to our Roman candles, called Kicking and Screaming by Miracle Fireworks, 8 shot. Then we got some free ones from Alien, Cherry on Top by Brothers. Then this year we did get some fountains, called Snow Cone by Window, Bee's Knees, I don't know what that is. Okay. Then this one we got for free, called Cuckoo by Cutting Edge. Then here's another cake from Shogun, called Thunderstorm. Then we're going to go to our 500 gram cakes. We got the Great American Celebration by World Class Fireworks, 12 shot. Then we got American Intensity, 9 shot by World Class Fireworks. Then we got High Voltage by Sky Eagle Fireworks, 16 shot. Then here's the heavier ones, called Asian Sensation, 9 shot by World Class Fireworks. Here's our 2017 Fireworks Stash. Please hit that like and subscribe button.